The Sabre is a genuine all-round cutter bar. It is very simple to use, incredibly versatile, and designed for maximum safety. The Sabre will cut a wide range of materials, from tissue paper to 13mm foam-centered board. It will tackle materials up to 3 meters wide and has a guaranteed accuracy of 1mm. Adjusting the material is easy. The automatic blade retraction protects your hands, and the floating hinges hold the slideway above your work. The indents and cut groove on the base plate help to accurately align the material. Then lowering the slideway and the hinge system will automatically adjust to ensure flat cutting. The full-length silicone grip strips will hold the material firmly in place, ready for the cut. The ergonomically designed cutting head has 3 standard blades, which can be switched safely and quickly to suit different materials. The graphic blade holder has a specially designed knife edge for extra stability on tougher materials. The reversible blade can be set to cut left to right or right to left. By running the blade backwards, you can also score acrylics for snapping. The rotary blade holder cold cuts textiles and delicate materials and is ideal for trimming thin strips of banners and posters. The medium-duty blade holder uses standard, off-the-shelf utility blades for the general purpose cutting of materials up to 10mm thick. The Sabre is the perfect mobile cutting solution. Its strong base will provide a stable platform for perfect material clamping. It can sit directly on the bench or on an optional stand with a waste catcher and roll feed. The Sabre has the cutting performance required by the professional, combined with the safety and simplicity to make it ideal for an inexperienced operator. Like all Keencut products, the Sabre is manufactured in its own facility from the finest components and is offered with a comprehensive 5-year guarantee.